Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you, and I'm going to be doing something colorful and just a little bit different. Well, different because I have not been uploading much lately. If you didn't see my last video where I was explaining why, I will link it up here in the eye or in the description of this video as well. But today we're just going to get back into makeup, and I'm super excited because I'm actually partnering with Sigma on this video, and I'm going to be using their new Viper collection, and this is so fun. It comes with a limited edition eyeshadow palette and these two liquid lipsticks. I'm super excited to be partnering with Sigma too because in the beginning of my makeup journey, I could afford one brush and one brush only. And that one brush that I chose was the Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. This was in 2012, I believe. And this is still that same brush. I've had it for so long, and it has lasted beautifully. It's still in brand new condition, basically. The first brush I ever bought, and brush I'm still gonna be using today in this video, and that just shows the quality of Sigma. It's so exciting because if you scroll way back on my Instagram, you'll see I posted a photo of a Sigma brush kit all fanned out, and I said in the caption, like, this is my dream to own something like this. And then to be able to not only get sent this Viper collection from Sigma, but to have them send me that same brush kit to be able to use is really exciting. It's such a full circle moment for me because Sigma's the actual one of the first brands I've ever purchased. And so thank you so much to Sigma for sponsoring this video, and let's play with the eyeshadows and see if we can create something super fun with it. And I'm also going to be doing the rest of my face. We're going to do full face on camera. I'm going to chat. We're going to have a good time. Let's go. So first off, this packaging makes me so happy. It's the most beautiful. And again, inside looks like this. By the way, don't look at my nails, they are bad. In the Viper eyeshadow palette, you get a mixture of matte, shimmer, and foiled shades. The top row, you've got Hypnotize, Copperhead, and Adder. The bottom is Beguile, Malevolent, and Sinister. This one is Venom. It is a blood red. And then you've got Anti-Venom right here, which is a neutral pink nude. You guys know that I always do my eyes first with any sort of makeup look, so I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is the Sigma 4D HD Kabuki brush, and it's a little pointed guy like this. So if you wanted to use something like this to get right underneath your eyes to do concealer, or like I was just doing, it'll get the point right here on the inner corner so that I can prime my lids. I'm going to start off with my Holy Grail. This is my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. I'm going into the shade Hypnotize here. So have you guys been following me since that very beginning? I tell you what, it feels like a lifetime ago that I would sit there and like do my Sephora hauls and things like that. I mean, it really was. It was such a different time. Makes me sad a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm gonna dip into Adder here. If you are not into like orangey or super warm tone shades, as you can see, this doesn't have any warmth to it at all. It's nice and cool toned. So if you're not into warm shades, you might really like this shade. I've seen cool tones are kind of making a comeback. I've noticed that obviously warm tones I feel like are not going anywhere. I've noticed lately that I've seen a lot of cool tone shadows making their way back into the scene. So I don't know, let me know. Do you guys prefer warm or cool tones? I've seen that it seems like a lot of people are gearing more towards cool lately. You know, I like it all. And when I look at this, I automatically want to take this color and blend it all up over the eyelid, and then I want to take this guy and make like a really stark wing with it. I don't know, that's just kind of what I'm feeling when I look at this palette. The nice thing about the E40 brush, which I've been talking to you guys about this for the longest time, but what I really love about the E40 is that I almost do like full eye looks with it all the time. So like I did actually my sister's homecoming makeup with it yesterday, and it's like the one brush I used for the entire look. So it's fluffy, but it's not so fluffy that you can't use it to get like some semi-precision. For like big fluffy blending, this one's my fave. I can't believe how soon Halloween is. This month flew by. I don't know about for you guys, but I was driving today and the leaves are already all on the ground. Fall's over? Are you trying to tell me that fall's over? It just began, and fall is my absolute favorite season. I don't know about you guys, but it's my ultimate. Like, I could have it be fall all year round and never get sick of it. I don't hate winter. I think the best thing about winter is Christmas, which I'm fine with, but I don't know, there's just something for me. Fall makes me feel happy. It's the perfect weather for me. Crisp, crunchy leaves on the ground, cold, but not too cold, because the winters here get pretty chilly in Washington. Ooh, I think I have an idea. I don't know, maybe it won't pan out. I'm gonna dip back into this shade here, and I'm going to kind of deepen up the outer crease a little bit more. I didn't really know where I was going with it in the beginning, but now I think I do. So I think what I wanna do is drag this out. I'm gonna do like the negative space liner with this one. I don't know, I just am really feeling that. It's gonna look kind of funny, but when you get it all together and get lashes on, it's gonna look really cool. So I'm gonna take this Sigma concealer brush. This is the F70, and I'm gonna cut the eyelid shape out where it's like a higher up wing, and then I'm going to take the blue shade and make an actual wing with it. So I'll show you. If you guys didn't know, Sigma brushes have a 2-year warranty. I'm gonna be honest though, like I've had my brush for like 6 years and I've never needed the warranty. This looks, that's so crazy. All right, and then when you've cut the eye out with concealer like this, then what I like to do is take a smaller brush. This is the Sigma small tapered blending brush, the E45. And I like to dip into whatever shade you want to darken up on the top there, because now you have your line, and now you can take that shade and just sort of run it along that top area. Because you've got your area, and because this is tapered on the bottom, kind of points and it won't drag down onto your concealer. So I'm going to take my Schwing liner from the Balm and I'm going to do a wing. I'm gonna go over that with the Sigma E15 flat definer brush. I'm gonna dip into that blue shade Sinister. I'm gonna tap that over the top. I find that this color looks the best with a black base. All right, and then I'm gonna dip into the Beguile color down here again with my Sigma E30 pencil brush. Highlight the brow bone a bit. I don't think I'm gonna end up using this pink shade, but I do wanna swatch it for you just so you guys can see what it looks like. What's that? Oh God, that pigment. That's that pink shade in the palette. That is Copperhead. All right, I'm gonna do the other eye just like this off camera, and I'm gonna toss on some lashes, and then we're gonna come back and do the rest of the face, and then I'll do the under eye at the end. All right, so lashes are on. I love the way this looks. It's so pretty. For me, when I feel like I don't really know what to do, I'm just trying to experiment around with colors, but I wanna create something like a fun shape that's not just like running through the crease and patting on the lid, which I love to do, and that's kind of been what I've been going towards lately. But if I want to create like a fun shape, I love to do something like this because it allows me at least to use a little bit more color. Like I could have used all of this with just patting the blue all over the lid, but I wanted a little bit something different. I don't know. Let's move on to the rest of the face. So for skin, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. This has been my go-to. I'm gonna blend this in with the Sigma curved kabuki brush. These are so soft, and look at the shape of this. Like contours to your face. I never thought I would be the person to stop using a sponge for my foundation, but there's just something, and maybe it's just this Pro Glow, but it applies so beautifully with a brush. It just looks flawless. Just look how beautiful the finish is when I use a brush. Like There's no streakiness. It just looks so nice. And then I usually like a little bit more coverage down here. This is the Kylie concealer, the shade Bone. I need to tone my hair. I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I like to take a little of this shade, which is medium 35, and then I mix a little bit of light in with it as well. This is light 10, but just medium, I don't know. I don't like going too light with my concealer. I know some people like to go really super bright with their under eyes, but I find that it just looks really fake. And I almost start noticing it now when people go really bright with their under eyes. I mean, you do you, whatever you want to do with your makeup. But for me, I just prefer to go a little bit darker. And this is the Sigma 40 HD Kabuki. When you do YouTube, it is the weirdest feeling to be somebody who is just an admirer of makeup and products and, you know, started off from nowhere. I would dream about working with brands like Sigma. Like, there were always certain brands that I always thought like, oh, when I can work with XYZ, like that's when I've made it. Or I don't know, like I come up with these things in my head, but like Sigma was the brush brand. Like when you buy brushes, you bought Sigma. And so that's why I bought my first E40 when I went in. And I will always stand behind Sigma brushes, like through and through. So I'm gonna use my tried and true. This is my Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light Bronzer. And I'm going to use this Sigma brush. This is the Duo Fiber Powder Blush Brush. So interesting because I never thought I would like a bronzer so much that had shimmer in it. But I just love this one so much. Keep looking at my face and being like, what's missing? Eyebrows. I'm gonna do my brows real quick. I've been really liking this a lot. I used this in a video a while back and I've been using it quite often. This is the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit. And this is, again, one of those pens where like you click the top down like this and you choose your color. And I've really liked this one. This is the Brown Light. And I've been taking kind of the lighter brown shade right here, filling in the tail of my brows. It's so fast and it really does have the colors that you need in it. I do feel like the light shades in some of these don't go light enough to give you a full like highlighted brow, but they're pretty good. And these are really similar in consistency on the inside. These are like the same as the Precisely My Brow pencil. So if you like that, I think you'll really like this. And I like the options that you get inside. A little goes a long way, I feel. All right, I'm gonna go in with the Glossier Boy Brow and just kind of run that through. I'm gonna go with my Tarte. This is the blush palette, the Blush Bazaar. Just honestly, I just kind of mix all of them together. This is one of the better purchases I ever made. I love this blush palette. Then with my tried and true favorite, which this is returning if you guys did not see, Amra confirmed it and this is coming back. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and AMREZY highlighter that I've been raving about and saying that I wish it would come back. I'm not saying that I did this, but I am the sole reason that this is returning. Like, of all the items I've ever purchased, this I didn't want to be limited edition. So if you guys have been waiting to get your hands on this, I'm not exactly sure the date this is coming back, but it is coming back. So I'm gonna take the Sigma tapered highlighter brush. And, oh yes. Why is it the prettiest highlight? Why? Why am I buying 10? I don't know. I do know, because of that wetness right there, baby. It's the best highlighter. When I first tried it, I was so skeptical with it. I was like, I don't know. I just don't feel like it's that big of a deal. And then I don't know, something changed. Something changed and it became everything I've ever needed and more. And people are like, I wish it was a little bit different. You know, I'm pretty fair skinned and it works really well on me. So I wouldn't judge it unless you've tried it. Maybe run into Sephora. I do believe they're going to be selling this again at Sephora. So run in and feel it, swatch it, try it on your face, because it doesn't look maybe all that universally colored, but it is. It looks kind of like it could be too deep for fair skin and too light for deep skin, but I've seen it work on so many different people, so maybe just give it a try. All right, I'm gonna finish off my eyes, and I think for that, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which was Adder. I'm gonna take it on that little tapered brush here. which was the small tapered blending. Ooh. You could leave your lower lash line blank if you don't like a smoky lower lash line, but I love a smoky lower lash line. And I think I might take a little bit of this blue shade down here with that same E15 and just kind of stamp it on the inner corner. Sometimes blue shades can be a little lackluster. They like look amazing in the pan, but they don't apply amazing, and this is not that. This is applying really well with no additive. I'm gonna add a pop of blue into the waterline. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL liner in the shade I-24. I'm gonna pop some mascara on. This is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. All right, now I'm gonna obviously go in with a nude lip today because these eyes call for a nude lip. And this is the shade Anti-Venom from Sigma. Ooh, that's pretty nude. I don't love a liquid lipstick generally because I feel like they're pretty drying, but this is really, how do I explain it? It's not overly drying. It kind of feels like a soft, plushy cream. As you know, with every nude lip that I ever do, I put on Wet n Wild Mochalicious in the center. You know what I think I might want to do? Take a little bit of this shade right here and just sort of, ooh. Ooh, I like that. And I'm gonna spray my face with the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Setting Spray, which is my favorite setting spray. And this is the finished look. Alright you guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it so much. I really love it. I think it's really pretty. I think that the green in this palette is really a wearable one. It's not too neon. It's just kind of like a soft teal bluish green that I think is a lot more wearable. Same with the blue. It's just like a really pretty cobalt. It's not overly so to where you feel like bizarre wearing it. I would feel beautiful wearing this out anywhere. I also think that if you aren't into these super green and blue shades all the time, you do have the option to have the other shades in there as well to make it a little more wearable for your everyday. But I think this look turned out so pretty. I'm really happy with the way that it looks, and I hope that you guys like it too. Thank you again so much to Sigma for sponsoring me in this video. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to check out any of the products that I mentioned in this video or the Viper collection, again, it is limited edition. It will be linked in the description of this video, and any information you need will be up on the screen or in the description as well. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and I appreciate you guys giving me all the support you did on my last video. It meant the world to me to know that even though I took some time off, I kind of came back and explained myself, and I was really nervous to upload that video because I didn't want it to come off too complainy or anything like that. And I know that sometimes things like that can, and they're a little bit iffy for people, but you guys were fantastic in the comments. Like, I was so blown away at just how supportive and wonderful you all were, and helpful and understanding. And this is why I say I have the best subscribers on YouTube, because you guys are just so down to earth and real, and I appreciate it so much knowing that I have the support of you guys on the other side of that screen. And I just love you guys so much, and I'm so glad to be back filming videos and trying to get back on my regular schedule, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye! Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing 2 different eyeshadow looks for you. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be using the new Sigma. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you, and this. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you, and hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a How many freaking times am I going to say it? Excuse me. Then what I like to go.